Welcome back to today's vlog. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe because guess what?
Is that me do the intro?
Oh, here you go. No! Because we try our best to give you guys the best content possible. I mean, like, we live normal lives here, essentially. We just try to make it funny. Enjoy. Today we're going up to Hurricane Ridge to go play in some snow. Welcome. Wait, I already did the intro. Okay, right now we're gonna go to Super Saver, pick up some water and some sleds because we don't have any, and then we should be set. Why is it so sunny? It's time for a little bit of fun. I slid out the back a little bit.
We've gotten all packed up. Dogs are coming with. Let the adventure begin of Hurricane Ridge. Let's go, Tim. We are headed off. What you gotta say about this, Tim?
I don't know.
Why are we stopping here?
To get oil. I forgot there for a second. Ow! That one hurt. Oh, it's a little tight. Oh, release! So, we're only gonna have an hour of daylight, so once we get there, it's full snow mode. We don't care if you start crying, Sarah. Okay, we're gonna go snow blowing. But we're just gonna go, even if you start complaining, even if you start crying. I don't know why you would, but if you did, if I start crying, just punch me in the face and tell me to go snow blowing. Okay?
I need it. McDonald's. I want some McChicken with my nuggies. My McChicken nuggies and nuggies.
Sounds good to me.
Give me my nuggies.
How many chickens?
2.
3 McChickens and
Gotta get the nuggies.
yeah, that's good. Thanks.
Yeah, it does look good. Oh.
Should I give them to you?
So I got 2 chicken nuggets.
Oh.
So I just got lots of food.
I like your thinking.
Give me my chicken nuggets.
Did you order a McChicken?
Yes. And a chicken. Give me my order and plus all the food that's left over.
We got some food here.
Chicken nuggets.
We were not. It's supposed to be sunny.
Chicken nuggets. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. So Hurricane Ridge is closed, but we're going to go see if we can go and get some snow and play in it. It's foggy out here.
It seems like last time we went up here was super fun.
Man, super fun. We're here, people, and there's no snow, roads are closed, but we're just gonna go explore and see what happens. What do you have to say of this, Tims?
Is there any chicken left?
I was scary there for a second. Sarah's just hyperventilating.
I'm traumatized. My foot's falling asleep. Oh.
Look, there's a goat. Dog.
That's not a goat. That's a doggo.
You want to go for a walk? You want to go for a walk, Heidi?
I'm gonna take my sled.
No, we still got
You're gonna drag me across the road and into the Netherlands.
Dingleberry butt.
Is it you?
Why is it so steep?
It's a hill. See, I'm crying already. My ear.
You told me to punch you in the face if you started crying.